Hi everyone, welcome to EdAcuity. Recently, we posted an interesting mathematical puzzle on our Instagram account as well as on our YouTube shorts. You can just go and check that out if you haven't. The link is also there in the description down below. We are here to discuss the solution to this puzzle. So let me just state the question here. It says that when a 5-digit number PQRST is multiplied by a 1-digit number P, it gives a 6-digit number TTT, which means 6 times T. Now, what we have to do here is that we have to find the values of P, Q, R, S and T in such a way that their values are unique and lie in the range from 0 to 9. Okay, so let me tell you one thing, that here every person can have a different method or approach to solve this problem, but here we bring our own version of the solution which we found easier comparatively. So without further ado, let's move to the solution part. Firstly, we'll start by finding the value of T, because you can see the letter T is repeating a lot more times than others. Obviously, it can't be 0. And after that, the best possible value that T can take is the number 5, because the number 5 has the tendency to repeat as compared to others. Also, let me clarify that it's a type of a hit and trial method, so we are trying just the best possible way out. As I said earlier, it can have other approaches too. You can see that the value of T is being replaced by 5 now. So the next value we can think of is the value of P. Here, P multiplied by 5 will give a 2-digit number -5, which means 5 will be at 1's place. This implies that P is going to be an odd integer. And the odd integers we are left with are 1, 3, 7 and 9. To pick or think of the apt one out of these, just focus on the answer that we are getting. The first 2 digits are 55 as highlighted above. So we can think that P multiplied by P itself plus some carryover would give 55 as the answer. Now what we have come up with is just think which multiplication would give us a number that is nearer to 55. Okay, so just look at this. 1 into 1 gives 1, which is obviously not nearer to 55. 3 into 3 is 9, which is again smaller comparatively. 7 into 7 is 49, which is quite nearer to 55. And lastly, 9 into 9 is 81, which is obviously greater than 55, and that's out of the question here. So we conclude that the number 7 can be the best choice for the value of P. Now, P is replaced by 7 here. We next think of the value of S. See that 7 into 5 is 35. Okay, so going a bit deeper into the process of multiplication, we have this equation. 7 into S plus 3 equals -5. That means 5 at 1's place. We have simplified it even further. That is, shifting 3 to the other side, we get 7 into S equals -5 minus 3, that is -2, means 2 at 1's place. Now, we are only left to think of a number which gives 2 at 1's place when multiplied by 7, and that is nothing but 6, as 7 into 6 is 42. Similarly, the value of R and Q can also be found. Just have a look on how the process of finding R and Q takes place. You can pause the video here if you want. Thus, the value of R is 3 and that of Q is 9. And you can now verify for the value of p also. That is 7 into 7 plus 6 is 55. And voila, you've got the answer. That is 79365 multiplied by 7 gives 555555. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this content informative, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any suggestions or queries, don't forget to write in the comment section below. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, click on the bell icon to get notified every time we come up with something new. You can also provide your reviews or feedback on Google. The link is there in the description below. Thank you.